Easy on Me by Adele for beginning piano. I'll be teaching you how to play this song. First of all, we're going to be learning the chords. In front of the name of your piano here, you're going to play the F. So here you have the F note, you have the F, A, and C notes. You're going to press together like this. Okay. You can pause the video so you can practice the F. Once you know it well, then we're going to move on to the D minor. The D minor, you can pause it again so you can practice the D minor. Then we go to the A minor. Then the B flat. To play the B flat major chord, you play the B flat, D, and F. Then the C major is the C major, you play the E, the C, E, and G notes together. Then the G minor. Okay, the G minor is the G, B flat, and the D.